Vaping can harm urgent immunity framework cells and may be more than detrimental rather than previous mind, a research suggests. Researchers found e-cigarette steam incapable essential immunity cells in the lung and forced inflammatory. The researchers cautious versus the wide detained view how e-cigarettes are secure. Yet, Social Public Health England advises they are lot less than detrimental rather than smoke, and human beings should not fluctuate to use them as an aid to give up cigarettes. Early teaching include concentrated on the chemistry structure of e-cigarette fluid it is vapped. In the research, the researchers invented a mechanic order to imitate vaping in the lab, with lung fabric samples of production stipulated by 8 non-smokers. They found steam-inflicted inflammatory and hard of hearing the operation of alveolar macrophages, cells how shoot potential injuring powder suspended particles, bacteria and allergens. They told several of the effects were such seen in routine smokers and human beings in persistent lung illness. They cautious the results are just in lab facility and counsel future study is necessary to superior know the length-term public health effect. The changes written took location just above 48 several hours. The overview signed down there was insurmountable testimony they were far more secure rather than smoke and of insignificant hazard to bystanders, and informed they should be accessible on recipe since of how success they had been in help human beings offer up smoke. Professor Thicke told Time e-cigarettes were more secure rather than conventional cigarettes. They may yet be detrimental in the length term as study was in its childhood. In regulation of carcinoma challenging molecules in smoke fume, as opposed to smoke steam, down there are surely diminished numbers of carcinogens, he told. They are more secure in regulation of carcinoma hazard, but if you vape for 20 or 30 years and the can reason COPD, persistent preventing lung illness, later house thing we requirement to aware on. I don't trust e-cigarettes are more than detrimental rather than common cigarettes, but we should include a careful skepticism how they are as secure as we are creature-led to trust. Martin Dockrell, Snuff Monitoring Conduct at Social Public Health England, told, e-cigarettes are not 100% hazard-free but they are obviously lot less than detrimental rather than smoke. All cigarette smoker examining e-cigarettes should select fully out of latency.